गोंयभर आशिल्ल्या खेळा मैदानांचो सर्वे करपाचे गोंय खेळा प्राधिकरणान थारायला. गोंय सरकाराचे खेळा खातें आनी गोंय खेळा प्राधिकरण मेळून वट्ट 112 ग्राउंड्स आसात. ह्या सगळ्या खेळा मैदानांची सद्याची परिस्थिती कशी आसा आनी तांचो चडांत चड वापर कसो करूं येता हे प्राधिकरणाक जाणून घेवपाचें आसा. गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या कॉमर्स आनी मॅनेजमेंट विभागाचे विद्यार्थी हो सर्वे करतले.
गोंय सरकाराचे खेळा खातें आनी खेळा प्राधिकरणा लागीं जे ग्राउंड आसात ते पळोवन एल्विस गोम्साक अजाप दिसले.
I found that we were actually blessed with several resources. Infrastructure being the fundamental of sports development. I was shocked to see that we have enough resources as far as infrastructure is concerned, but there has been no proper development, there has been no proper sensing of what is available, and therefore the thought came that we have to conduct an immediate study, a fast-track study, and through some of my friends in the management sector, we came to a conclusion that none other than the university would be in the best position to guide us in this. And that's how I finally landed with the Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Jobakar. We have given them a broad understanding exactly what we want. And they have partnered with us to give us the required data, the data that will be thereafter analyzed. There will be analysis through the MIS systems. We assure that we will be able to take the infrastructure to the next level and provide some of the best facilities in the state which would be required by sports persons today.
The purpose of this study is to study the facilities of Sports Authority of Goa and to understand the satisfaction of the users and how to improve the facilities for the satisfaction of the users. For this purpose, we are doing this in two stages. The Goa University Department of Management Studies and Commerce will be doing a user survey. There are 112 facilities of Sports Authority of Goa located all over Goa in different parts. The time span of this study is for about 1 month and we will be completing it mid-July or a little later to this.
प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर आमचो चलचित्र खबरांकार दिनेश करपे.
24वी गोंय राज्य ज्युनियर आनी सब ज्युनियर एक्वेटिक चॅम्पियनशीप सध्या चालू आसा. ह्या सर्तीक सामको बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा. 147 स्विमर आनी 27 डायव्हर्सांनी ह्या सर्तींत वांटो घेतिल्लो. उक्तावणा दिसाच दामोदर कारेकार, जेरी डिमेलो, झेवियर आनी सुमन पाटील ह्या खेळगड्यांनी 4 रिकॉर्ड मोडले. स्विमींग असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवान आयोजीत केल्ल्यो ह्यो 2 सर्ती कांपालाच्या स्विमींग कॉम्प्लेक्सात चलतात.
Fourth Goa State Junior and Sub Junior Aquatic Championship 2012. We have conducted it in Panjim at Kampal Swimming Pool. We have got today some 4 new meet record, one by Damodar Karekar, Jerry DeMello, Xavier and Suman Patil. Goa Swimming Association have organized this particular state championship. From Goa, all about 147 swimmers and 26 divers are participating in this mega event. On the basis of this events, we are going to select the swimmers and divers for the nationals, which are going to be held in sub-juniors are going to be held in Rajkot, and juniors will be held in Chennai in the month of July.
So Bhavna Bichana, kindly report. "100-meter butterfly boys group 3, lane 3 Sydney Clark, lane 4 Yash Gaonikar."
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्यो आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.